Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to put videos in slow motion on Snapchat. If you want to put videos in slow motion on Snapchat or apply slow-mo on any video of, first of all just open your Snapchat app. Open your Snapchat app. Now here you can record instantly by clicking, or if you don't want to record instantly, just click on discard, and you can choose from the gallery by clicking on that icon and go into camera roll. Now after going into camera roll, just play this video like this, as I have volume down because copyright issues. So now just click on the three dot button here. Now click on Snapchat, edit Snapchat. Now after clicking on Snapchat, you will see it will open here, the video will open here.